Hey guys, how is this floral jewelry set? Come, let's make it together if you like it. We need to have a craft wire, wire cutter, and a plier first. I would straighten the wire before cutting it. Now we need a few of them. Like this. We can use any cylinder-shaped thingies to make a loop with the wire. Twist the wire like this. Now I'm using plier to make it more tighter. Remove it from the cylinder. Now we have a wire loop. I'm making wire petals. Need to give some shape to it. Now the petal is good, but it needs a small curve. See the bend I gave? I'm going to use dip resin. Dip the wire petal into the dip resin. We will get a thin film of resin on the wire petal. Like this. Cure it for 60 seconds. Cut off the extra end of the petals. Now we will join few petals together to form a flower. We'll add some color to the petals. I'm giving a coral white to the petals. For a contrast, I'm adding some red on the center. I'm gonna use it for making the flower a bit more beautiful. Curing for a minute. I'm gonna use this jewelry making kit today. Now let's see the final outcome. Please subscribe, like it for more such videos. Thanks for watching.